It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. I'm gonna let my homeboy drive the Scat. Oh, alright then, brother. Do your thing. Please don't crash this bitch, bro. This is all I ask, brother. You good?
Want to go somewhere or just?
Like, hey, go to my house.
Alright.
I gotta drop that off. But yeah, do this bitch, bro. That's the highest. Oh shit. Do your thing, brother. Get comfortable. This nigga, bro. This nigga about to be tripping, bro. I already know he is.
This ignorant. I ain't even gonna do it like that because this ain't mine and I can't afford it.
Hey, check this though. What you want me to get the cat? Bro, this enough, bro. Like,
stop talking to me about anything other than that car, bro.
Alright, bro.
You keep saying you gonna get a fucking Hellcat. Get the Hellcat.
Don't hit the UPS man, bro.
I don't know him.
But yeah, don't get pulled over either.
Oh, for sure.
But yeah, have fun, you feel me? Do your thing. I just wanted y'all niggas to experience this shit, cause I don't know if you drove a Scat before.
No.
Yeah, it's his first time, so.
Definitely didn't mean to do that, bro.
Fuck it.
Do it.
Fuck it.
Damn, this bitch a rock.
Hey, God. Hey. Oh.
This ignorant. This, don't nobody. No one man should have all that power,
you
bro.
feel me? And this ain't even all of it. 707, 797.
This is wicked, man.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I'd be okay with it. Like, I go to sleep at night comfortable, knowing I got a Scat.
I mean, now that I know what it feels like.
That's what I kept saying. Like, you told me I don't want to hear that shit about no Scat. I'm like, bro, that bitch is enough, bro. I'm trying to tell you. This shit crazy. Talk about no one man have all that power.
Bro,
all right, Kanye.
I am shook it.
Look. You take the crash it if you want.
I don't know. Well, I could do Van Dyke here.
No, that's past mom. Yeah, how you like it so far, though?
This shit wicked, bro.
I know, bro.
It's kind of scary, okay?
That's what I'm saying. Like, it
seemed like, cause you see how I pulled off from my house, right?
Right, the boys. Right
I see them too.
All right, bro.
And that ain't nothing but another way to grass shit. I ain't stupid.
Yeah, they think they slick, but like I'm saying, like it's kind of scary type, and I never drove no Hellcat, so I don't know how.
I'm not scared of going fast. I'm scared of like, you see how I pulled off from my house?
Yeah.
Like I'm scared of doing that on accident, and then they get me. Like my pops don't let me drive his truck.
Yeah, I feel like you'll get used to it if you drive it more.
Of course, because V6 Jeep. Hey,
it is a mean ass. But darn, this bitch don't. You ain't even drive the RT yet. Damn, like I said, had you drive that first, you gonna get in that bitch like, damn, this bitch slow as dog shit.
No, I'm gonna say this makes sense. This make a whole lot of sense right here, cause this.
This shit crazy.
This wild, right? No, like this is the first fast something I done stepped in.
For real? What's the fastest car you got in before this?
The fastest car that I've like got in, and not drove. I say I have drove a Charger. It was a V8, but it wasn't.
Like
it was
one of all Hemis?
Yeah.
Like what, 14? Some shit, yeah.
But the only other like field that I've had close to this was when I was a kid. I went to a school called like Greenfield Park, right? They had Ford come to our school.
Ford?
They brought out a Mustang and a F-150. And the people, the Ford people, they just letting kids get in the car and drive. And my man's like,
how old was y'all niggas?
It's probably like 12, 11.
They was letting, what?
No, they didn't let us drive. They were,
I was about to say, what the fuck? Y'all let 12-year-old drive?
And the school is like, it's out in the open, bro. So it ain't really nothing around.
Yeah, that's cool though.
And my man stepped on, I'm like, never felt nothing like this before.
Real. I had gotten that Alfa Romeo. That bitch faster than this. That's why that shit really scared me. Like the speed scared me. The speed don't scare me in this. It's just turning. with speed. Like, you don't know if that shit gonna step out on you or not.
What you mean step out like
the back end, yeah, the back end. This bitch, bro.
That's what this is made for, ain't it not?
Yeah. If you take this bitch out of like
track mode.
Nah, it's in street. You see, it's in street. Everything in track, but the traction. And if you put this bitch in traction, bro, and you hit that bitch, bro, you doing a donut off bales. If you don't know what you doing.
That sounds too easy. It do feel kind of stiff to me in this car though.
Yeah. You get used to it. I don't know. It ain't like uncomfortable, you feel me? It's just
turn the heat down. I'm still in 2009, bro, so you know you gotta forgive me.
Yeah, brother. But yeah. That's why I feel like this bitch enough. Like, I'd be happy with this bitch, bro. I just want that wide body because that bitch just look good.
It's wild, bro. I looked over at that truck like he don't want none.
No cap though.
Is that how I feel?
Yeah.
You just be seeing people like, bro, you don't want none.
That nigga don't want it, bro.
You don't want no smoke. You don't know me.
Till a Hellcat pull up. They be like, alright, brother.
You got it.
I'ma fuck with you. For real. You buy one of these bitches?
Scat back in.
He talking about, yeah, I want one of these bitches.
I still want my G8.
My G8.
Yeah.
Say fuck it, bro.
I don't know where to go now.
Let's go to his set, mom. Make a left.
No, not to your house. I'm talking about to drive because they put rumble strips all on that West Street on French.
Oh yeah. For real?
Yeah.
I was just about to go down there too, low key.
Oh, bro, you went for a monkey ride.
Damn, I just knew that was the spot. But yeah. Hey y'all, this the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Still tripping still, but yeah, do that for me. Alright, I'm out this thing. Peace.